Hello, it is Sunday morning here at the Sabo household and everyone is getting themselves ready for church, and I am in the kitchen getting ready to put together our lunch for today. It's an easy crock pot dish and I thought I would show you how to make it. It is called Meatball Stroganoff. In this bowl I have 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, and to that I'm going to add a cup of sour cream and 1 can of beef broth, and you're just going to whisk this all together. Once you get it all nice and mixed, it's just a creamy sauce that you're going to pour over the meatballs. Next, we are going to take our meatballs. I buy this huge bag of meatballs at Costco, and for our size family I am going to pour about half of this bag of meatballs into the crock pot. This recipe actually feeds about 10 people, so it is a big recipe and you could easily cut it in half if you don't need as much as we do. I am all about guessing, so I just kind of estimate what looks to be about half. Now I'm going to take my mixture that I just whipped up and pour it over the meatballs. So if you want, you can give it a stir. Usually I just leave it alone and stir it later on when the meatballs heat up. One thing I am missing is fresh mushrooms. I always pour a big container of fresh mushrooms in here, but unfortunately the stores that I shopped at on my last grocery shopping day did not have very good looking mushrooms, and so I opted to pass on the mushrooms, and I do not have any canned mushrooms on hand. Once you've got all of your ingredients in the crock pot, go ahead and get the lid put on. My trusty assistant Ethan is helping me. Hello, Ethan.
Hi.
Okay, and the meatballs are fully cooked, so all we're doing is heating it through. We'll be gone just a few hours, and so I go ahead and turn it on to high, and by the time we get home, everything will be heated through. The next step before we walk out the door to church is I go ahead and get a big pot of water on the stove, and that way once we get home, all I have to do is heat up that water, get my egg noodles in there. You can also serve this dish over rice, but we prefer egg noodles. This is Genevieve. You may remember her from the festival video, but Big Sister did her hair. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Very pretty. We call her Rapunzel. Big Sister Chloe did her hair for church today. We are home, and here is how my meatball stroganoff is coming along. It's been completely heated through and it is ready to serve. We will be serving it with a salad. And let's check my water over here. It is boiling nicely, so I'm going to go ahead and add